Hey guys, it's Will at Jordan Bikes and look at this belter, Yamaha Tracer 700. Finished off in this burnt orange, really is nice against the satin black. Facts and figures wise, 2021 70 plate, 5,802 miles. You got the fender extender on this one, a touring screen, digital display, really is clean, great punchy engine this one. Look at how easy it is to read there, and a gear indicator. What an absolute belter of a bike this is. Really comfortable and, like I say, a great punchy engine. In order to get this one purchased, dead easy. Pop down to Jordan Bikes, give us a call.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.